Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the differential, also known as the slip differential fuses relays on that generation Jeep Grand Cherokee. Quick advice guys, please do not waste any money on parts to use diagnostics. If you have problems with the differential until you watch that video, it could be quite simple fix. After that guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmission codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out, all this video will be on the channel. Guys, in addition, on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. For the differential guys, which fuses relays we need to check, come to show you now on that Jeep Grand Cherokee. Depending on the year model, you have two different types of fuse boxes. We'll explain about both, and what we need to do, we need to open the hood. When you face the engine on your Jeep Grand Cherokee, on the left side, here is the main engine fuse box. Open the cover. If you have 2014 to 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee, we have that type of fuse box. This is for 2011 to 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee fuse box. Before we continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea guys to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always guys test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. And the fuse guys that we need to check. Okay, let's explain where you can find it now. You see that row of fuses. Let's talk about 2011 to 2013 model first. We need to check fuse number M2. We're talking about this fuse right here. This is M2. Then you need to come to this fuse box and you need to check a few more. This is for 2014 to 2022 year model. First we need to check fuse number 34. Right here, this is very important fuse. And then we need to locate fuse number 50 guys. Okay, number 50, so that's 34 and 50 is right here, this fuse. Those are the main fuses for the differential that you will need to check on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model, they may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.